Hello, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Kyra Carlin. I am a self-mastery consultant online, and before you go ahead and watch this video, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot of good stuff on here. So today we're going to be talking about what is mind reprogramming, because I remember when I first heard the term, I was like, the fuck is that? It sounds interesting as fuck, but what is it? So mind reprogramming is the override of outdated cells. So our cells carry information through experiences. It's kind of like neuroplasticity, but just mind reprogramming. So our cells carry all of this experience through life, and they form strong. They become strong with all of this experience and all of these connections. Every time that I have felt a specific way about something that I have done, said, heard, that data goes into my cells, and it becomes who I am. It becomes what I attract. So mind reprogramming is replacing illusory/real beliefs with beliefs that support your goal. And the reason that I say illusory and real is because they're illusory, because they're not actually you, they're not actually real, but this you at this time who is not actually you, it's real for that you. So yes, so how do we reprogram a mind? Like what? How do we do that? So through mass override. Through mass override of all of these cells that are carrying all of that information, all of that data. So through the mass override, we override beliefs, the things learned, connections, ideas, feelings. We override all of that in your cells. So by overwhelming a cell with newness, completely pushing out what you don't want is how we reprogram a mind. This is exactly what I do in Enlightened Spirit Mastery School. It's extremely fun, extremely interesting, and it's a fucking plethora of just juicy ass feelings. It's really good. So, okay, so if I were to break it down for you, mind reprogramming, it's how you feel about what you do, say, think, feel, and hear. So imagine there's a person next to me and I blow a kiss to a sexy man across the room, and all of a sudden I feel like, oh my God, that was really weird. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. And the guy over there is like, that was really fucking weird, right? So my friend next to me gives a little wave at a man, and she feels terrific about it. She's like, I love this. I love it. I feel amazing. The guy walks up to her. He says, hello, you look beautiful tonight. Can I buy you a drink? Something like that, you know? So it all depends on how you feel about what you're doing, right? So say you wake up in the morning and you wake up around 2 p.m. You're like, why the fuck am I waking up at 2 p.m.? This is horrible, right? So you feel that way. And then, you know, maybe somebody else wakes up at 2 p.m. and they're like, oh, this is great. I haven't slept at 2 p.m. in so fucking long, and they feel great about it, right? So their actions, both of the scenarios I gave you, both actions and feelings are going to go into your cells, and they're going to provide that data for your cells so your cells can gain the strength. Now, on top of how you feel about what you do, say, think, feel, and hear, reprogramming then goes to the actions that you take about what you felt. Right? So when I blew the kiss to the guy and I felt weird about it, right? So maybe then I would take an action, and I could either take an action and say, oh, I'm not doing this anymore. I'm never fucking blowing a kiss to a guy across the room ever again. Right? Or I could take a different path and I could say, that was a little weird. I'm going to learn how to feel good about blowing a kiss to a man across the room. There are completely different pathways. So then that action that you take after that first initial kiss blow, and then that maybe I should learn a little bit more how to blow a kiss across the room. It's how you feel about these actions, right? So then I want to learn how to blow a kiss across the room, and then I feel good. Then it all goes into my cells and it starts reprogramming. My cells start munching up that new food and new things come into my life. I become a different human. And this is what mind reprogramming is. So we have hit 5 minutes, but I have one more thing to say. It's an ongoing connection in all aspects of your life. So it's about how you feel, then it's about the action that you take, and then it's about how you feel about that action, and then it's about the next action that you take, and then it's about the path that you take, and then it's about how you feel about it. So this is all mind reprogramming. All we are doing is overriding your cells with newness and completely pushing out what you don't want. I hope that this was helpful for you. Please share it with a friend who is curious about mind reprogramming. Again, my name is Kyra Carlin. You can find me on Instagram at Soul Designed Future. I do have a 6-month one-on-one program out right now. It's a consultancy program, and what we do is reprogram your mind through everything I just said.